Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the new Asset Manager in Roblox Studio. This updated window makes importing and managing your assets much easier, especially if you work with lots of models, meshes, textures, animations, or audio. Let's get started. To open the Asset Manager, go to the Window menu, then click Asset Manager. By default, the Asset Manager appears at the bottom of Roblox Studio, but you can drag it anywhere you like. On the left side, you'll find several asset directories. At the top is Recent Uploads, which displays assets you've uploaded recently. Below that is the Project section. This includes your current project and places an experience, showing assets that are actually being used in your current experience. Further down is Inventories. This contains all the assets that belong to your Roblox account, regardless of whether they're being used in the current project. Now let's import some assets. Click the Import button on the right side of the Asset Manager. Select the files you want to upload. An Import Queue window will appear. Review your files, then click Import to start uploading them. After the upload finishes, go back to the left panel and open Recent Uploads. You'll see every asset you just uploaded, along with useful information, including the Asset ID. This is one of my favorite improvements because you can quickly see all your Asset IDs in one place instead of opening each asset and copying the IDs manually. One thing to keep in mind is that newly uploaded assets are not automatically added to your current project. Instead, they're uploaded to your account's inventory. The assets will only appear in your project's asset list after you actually use them inside your experience. And that's all there is to the new Asset Manager in Roblox Studio. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.